Hello, this is Shane McIntyre, giving you a little bit of an introduction about myself as we start class 677. I am a high school special ed teacher. I guess we are special ed teachers, I didn't have to say that, but I teach high school, 12th grade government and economics, and also 12th grade personal finance. Here in Southern California at Riverside Poly High School in Riverside. As far as my involvement with kiddos on the spectrum, I've got a few students in class that are on the spectrum. We've had a few in the past, but also my youngest son has autism. So I've got quite a bit of experience on the parent end of things and a little experience on the teacher end of things. So it kind of makes things interesting to look at both sides of kiddos being on the spectrum. And then I guess I'm most proud of what I've done so far is some of the things that I've learned to be able to help my own son at home. I've learned some little tips and tricks, and especially when we're working with some of the evidence-based practices and discovering functions of behavior. And then finally, something on my bucket list in the next 5 years, if I was going to go for something funny, it would be to finally be done with school. But actually something serious, I would love to take my family up to Yellowstone and spend a couple weeks in Montana, Wyoming, Idaho, just seeing all the beautiful sights and things there is to see. And I think I'd like to make that happen once I'm finally done with school. So anyways, looking forward to this next few weeks and really enjoy learning with y'all, and we'll talk to y'all later. Thank you. Bye.